In today's video, I'm using up some leftover paints from my previous pour. I'm going to be dipping some flowers, and I have, instead of white for my base coat, I mixed up a really light blue shade. And then I have my mid-color blue and then my darker blue. I also have some beige and then just a small amount of white for my flowers. But I'm going to do blue flowers this time, which I haven't done before. I've done some purple and blue ones that look nice, but I haven't done ones that are only blue, and I really wanted to try that out. I'm working on a 12-inch wood surface, and each of my colors are mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. And I'm just going to start by putting that really light blue color down. Once I start doing my flowers, you'll see when I add the white to my surface, even though this color looks very white, it's not, and you'll see that once it's all dry and once I put some of that white down. So I decided, instead of one corner to the other, which I normally work in for my dips, I'm actually just going to go right down the middle of my surface, and I'm just going to start with putting some of that white down. Once I had my puddles of white down, I took the beige and put a ring of that around the white, and then I did the same thing with the light blue and the dark blue. And this is how I just normally build my puddles of paint for my flowers. I prefer to have my lighter colors in the middle and the darker colors on the outside. But I think this would actually look really pretty, especially with these colors. You could always do the opposite and have some of that darker paint in the middle and the lighter colors on the outside. Once I had each of my puddles down, I just blew up my glove and dipped it gently into each of them. Once I dip it into the first one, I wipe off the paint so that it doesn't smudge or smear or create a muddy look in the others. That I tried this out with the blues. I think some more monochromatic color palettes like this, making some flowers will look really nice. I could do just only purple ones or pink ones. I've done some peach and burgundy ones before that also look nice, but I think doing that really light blue background looks really good with the darker flowers on top. But let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if there are other color palettes that you want to see in this style. I absolutely love doing these dips. They're so much fun and they always turn out really nicely. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.